Welcome! So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete pin on Pinterest. So first, you want to open your browser and then search for pinterest.com, and then after that, you want to click on your profile. You can see it on the upper right side of the screen, and then choose the album where all your pins is, and then these are all my pins. So for example, I want to delete this one, so I'm just gonna click on that, then click on these three little dots, and then here just click edit pin, and then click delete, and then here just to confirm you want to click delete again. Then that's it. But there is a another method that you can do. Go to the album, and then for example this one. So instead of clicking on the picture, you just want to move your mouse on it, and then like that you can see this pencil icon, then click delete, and then delete again. Then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.